Friends, welcome to Avengers Python. Today we are going to discuss about pagination in Django or Python. Okay. Generally, pagination means we pagination we can be split into data several pages. With for example, with some persive next. For example, we 1 minute. It's not working. Okay. Using pagination, we can split the data into several pages with pursue and next. For example, you see like this in every application, I think so. Pursue, pursue, pursue. 1, 2, and 3, and this next. This is called pagination. Okay, and Django provides a few classes helps to manage the paginated data that are pagination. Django provides to manage the paginated data. In that there are pagination class. Okay, class. And page sorry sorry this is not pagination, it is page class. Okay, we will discuss about now pagination class. Okay, pagination class. Okay, Java pagination class. Pagination class contains object. Okay, object list and object list and pre-page and allow empty page, allow empty page. Allow empty page is equal to these are object list and pre-page and start. Okay, offense and allow the empty page is equal to true. Okay, first we will discuss about object list. In object list it will takes topics like list and query sets and through others sliceable objects with the count or length methods it required. Length methods it required. It takes query sets. It is required in object list. Okay, it takes list tuple topics like list and query sets and counter or length methods it requires. Okay, and sliceable objects also. And we will go for pre-page. Pre-page means, for example, pre-page means the maximum number of terms that includes the on pages, not included on. Stop, bro. Stop. A page not offense includes the not offense it requires. For example, you take one page. One pre-page means first page. There is four tables required. Four items required. For example, it consists four. Four is sufficient for this page, and this is sufficient. But pre-page means pre-page means the maximum number of items which are not organized. That means you take one page means you will give only, for example, there is one flip chart like is there. In one page it will show only one item. No. We want to show minimum how the page will fit and how to display to others. For example, 4 pages. This is nice. Including not organized. For example, we taken 6 items, 4 items. It is enough for this. But we will do like this means it is not useful. We want to increase the pages. For example, we taken one phone, Samsung. This is Samsung and this is Samsung S1 and S2, S3. Okay, but we want to show in one page only one Samsung S1 means it is a waste of pages and waste of scrolling next. We want to insert the pre-page means we want to insert correct pages and how many will fit that much we will require. Okay, pre-page means it will take the page will contains maximum number is 4. It will suit correctly. For example, this page will fill 3 items. I mean 4 items means it will take 4 items only. Okay, that is pre-page. Okay, pre-page. Okay, and orphans. Orphans means last page. For example, we already included these 4 pages. Okay, 4 pages. 4 items in one page. One page. That is the maximum limit. Maximum limit, not limit. Maximum items in one page. Okay. In option often means last page is empty. For example, if 2 pages, in one page, take one page, it is for last before page I am saying about. First page is, second page this one. 4 items, images are okay. 4 items are in first page and second page. And fifth page consists last page. Third page consists last item. That is only one item. Organize you will type. You take organize means it will adjust in last ending page. It is not proper, but it will reduce the size. If you go first page means it shows 4 items and second page also 4 items. When the last page before it will shows the often means often. Yes. It will shows the last page empty. If there is only one required, only one item is, it will adjust to the previous page. That means last page is empty. It takes when pre-page takes only 4 pages, but last page will in orphan it will take last item in 5th position. Okay, it will adjust the pages. It will adjust the items in last page before page, and last page gives empty. Okay, this is option. Offense. Okay, allows. Then we go to allow empty page. Allow empty page. Allow empty page means whether the page is we want to allow the empty first page whether it is first page is empty, but while allowing first page is empty means it raise the error. it raised the error. That's why we want to write a false. Allowing first page is false. Allowing first page empty. Allowing empty on first page. It gives error. It inbuiltly automatically gives error. Okay, it gives error, and we want to write a false. Okay, whether it is it shows, you want to show first page empty means it gives error, but we will write true means it will show display, but there is no use. It is empty file means you will write to true. It is empty folder means you will write true means that is okay. After first page gives error means that is useless. Okay, that's why we use allow empty. Okay, these are the pagination classes. Okay, then we will go for page class. Okay, we will go for page class and paging class. Okay, okay, page class methods. It has so many. Methods are have. It has next and have. We have has next and next page number, and there is 5 types. It has next and it has previous. It has previous and next page number and previous page number and start index. Start index. Those are 4 types. 5 types. 5 types. Okay, we will write that's first one as next. Okay, as next means that returns the true if there is next page. If there has next page means it returns true. It returns true if there is next page. Okay, next page is there means it will returns true. Okay, that is have next. Okay, and has previous. Okay, as previous. It also returns true if the next page, previous page is there means it returns the true. Okay, it also returns true if there previous, before page. For example, next page is 1 and 2 is there means it returns 2. Okay, previous means previous means it has 1 and 2. It has also previous page, it returns true. Don't have previous page only 1 means it returns false. Okay, it returns false. Yeah. Okay, only this page is there means. Okay, and next page is there means it returns true. Second is there means it returns. Previous page means before page. For example, to second page you go and see the first page means it is true. There is no only first page in that pagination means only one is there means that is false. Okay, and the next page number. Okay, next page number. Next, underscore. Next page number. You go for next page number. Next page number means that next page number returns the next page, raises the invalid page of next page does not exist. That means next page is there, but that is not that is a invalid page. For example, you consider first page has some items and second page and third page. and the next page number it is 2 1. I think you think it is true. Okay, next page number is 2. Next page returns error invalid means it is valid. It has 4 items, and this one also has 4 items, and this one has no items. This is empty. But we created empty page. This is not. We want to write this one. It returns. It returns. Okay, here is the example. It returns. I said now. It returns next page was next page number was raised invalid. I mean, it returns the next page number raised invalid. That is empty means invalid page means it returns it returns the does not exist. That means the page does not next page does not exist. We want to remove the page. It raised the invalid page is does not exist. Invalid page does not exist. That is next page number. We will take I said now previously 3. It is not. We will remove this page and we will change the number to 2. Then it is valid. It has 4 items. It has 4. It is empty. But that's why we are removing this page and we are converting third page to 2 page and we are deleting second page. Okay, that is page number. I mean that is next page number. Okay, next page number and previous page. Okay, we will go for previous page. Okay, previous page means it returns the previous page number and the ranges of previous page does not exist. That returns the previous page number. Okay, in this we see what are the numbers. 3 is there, that is not invalid, but this is not that process. When we have first and 2, only 2 is there means 2 are previous. Before we consider 2 page number 2 and we will consider previous page. This is empty page. First will not come empty, but sometimes we will insert the data and we change to the second page by forgetting this, and that is invalid. But this is now empty page. Then we want to remove this and change the second page to first page. That is previous page. That returns the returns the previous page. Previous page is invalid page does not exist. Okay, exist. Okay, that is previous page means there is a 1 2 is there means 1 is not valid. It is empty. We take on the time we will take 4 items in it, but now we change it here and here also 4 is there, but it is empty file now. We want to remove this page because it is shows does not exist and it comes first. That is previous page. Okay, and we are going to starting index now. Starting index means we have to write starting index. Okay, that. Start index means that returns the first index. First page is there, na? That returns the first based index. First based index of the first object. I mean first based index to the first object. First object there is we return one object and first object on the page and returns the all the objects in the pagination. The pagination, the list force, that list are Okay, starting index means that returns the first index of the first object on the pages. I mean paginations in the list. Pagination list allows 5 objects. For example, 5 objects, 5 objects, 5 objects, and 5 objects with the 2 objects. Okay, in page we consider with 2 objects also. With 2 objects, 5 objects with 2 objects also. For example, 5 means and 2 objects also here. But this is not suitable in this page. In this page, first web page. Okay. Then the pre-page. I mean pre-page in previous pagination class is there, na? That will take and queues the second page, and second page starts the thread and returns the. It will returns the first page is contain 3, 5, 5. But it is again it is 2 is there. It is not in first page. It is not suitable, or it is not best practice. I mean best way. It will again it creates second page. Okay, it will create a second page. It will create a second page. This is first index. Okay, this is first index. Okay. Okay, this is first index. Then we will go for paginator class attributes. Okay. I tell about only pagination class and paginator class and page class. Okay, and we are going to pagination now. Again, paginator attributes. Okay, paginator class attributes. Paginator class attributes. Okay. When paginator class attributes are 3 is there, count and then number page and page range is there. First one is count. Count. Okay. Count. First one is count. Sorry. Yes. Count. Okay. It returns, I mean, the total number of objects across the page. How many number? Count means in page how many is there? It will count that. Count means paginator class objects contains count and next number of pages and page range. Okay, it means it will count the total number. That count will do. Will count the total number. It will count the total objects. Total objects are in a page. It will do the count. Okay. It will do the count. Then number of pages, and number of pages means how many number is there. How many number of pages are there? Number of pages means number of pages. Number of pages means the total number of pages. Of pages are there. How many number of pages are there? For example, 1 and 2 and 3. We'll count that 1, 2, 3, and there is next and previous. Okay, they will show that 1, 2, 3 are there. That is number of pages. Okay. Number of pages and page range. Page range. Page range means the basic range on iterators on the page. For example, yield. It shows the basic range iterators on the pages. Basic iterators on the pages. It shows mean, it shows the basic range of iteration in the page. Okay, we'll write it based range in page. Example, yield 1, 2, 3. It will iterate 1, 2, 3. How many pages is there? It depends on the range. Okay, that is how many pages are pages numbers. I mean, sorry, not pages. It is numbers declared by numbers. No? Numbers. It based the range on. It is based on the range iterator of the pages number. Example 1, 2, 3 is there, no? That is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Okay. We will consider 4 is there, 1, 2, 3. It will seize the iteration of numbers. That is paginator class attributes. Okay. Next, we will go for pagination class methods. Okay, pagination class methods. Class methods. Okay. In pagination class method, we will first there is 3 types out there. That is get page. First is get page. Get page is we'll get page. Get page. Okay. First is get page. Get page means number. We will write that is get page is numbers only. Numbers only. This is a method to return the pages object with given first base. I mean, previously we talked in allows the first page shown. That is first page on based on the first object in first page. Like that, it comes that it returns the method of returns the pages in object that handles the range invalid page. That means that takes the first page and returns the invalid. Depends on the pages, how many pages, that is how many involved, get the invalid number, invalid page number. Okay, number, it will write the invalid page. Okay, that is that is get page. And get page also has some terms. If the page is not returns a page, first page, we get page means if the page also page also not returns the page number is also not returns in first page, that is also comes under the get page. Okay, with the observe.
Start.
Get page means that page does not return the numbers. For example, we only one page is there means it will not return the number. Why? Because no need to change the pages. There is only one page is there. We will go to the pages. That is get page. Okay, based on the first page. Okay, first page. It means the page is not returns number. It not returns the number. Numbers, if it is returns the first page. If it is returns the first page. Okay, and there is page number is there. page, just page is there. It will also the method. It is also the method returns the this one page number is equal to number. That is get page number. Okay. It means the method returns the page object without giving the page, without the page. That means first based page object, with the given first based index. I mean first given index is there now, that one with that. And invalid page gives invalid page does not exist. It gives the first page, but invalid page is not exist in it. It will also do same like this, but invalid page means first page also invalid page means it does not exist. Does not exist. Does not exist. And pagination in Python is written in it is completed. Pagination class method is completed, and pagination in Python, I am saying not Django. In Python is we will written in two types: class and functions also. Previously we discussed about what is the difference. Pagination, pagination classes and page class and paginator class attributes and paginator classes are how many classes are there. We discussed about it. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you.